Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we will be discussing the health benefits of Bok Choy. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Bok choy is a nutrient-dense cruciferous Chinese cabbage belonging to the brassica family, also home to cabbage, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cauliflower. Bok choy contains essential vitamins and minerals including calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, manganese, selenium, vitamin C, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Bok choy has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Bok choy is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body and may help prevent the risk of chronic diseases. Bok choy may help support thyroid health. Bok choy may promote bone health due to its vitamin K, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium content. Its iron and zinc content may also help with the production and growth of collagen. Bok choy may also promote heart health. Studies have shown that consuming leafy greens may help prevent cardiovascular disease events. Bok choy may also help regulate blood pressure levels. Bok choy may also regulate blood sugar levels. Bok choy may also promote skin health and hair health due to its rich vitamin C content. Bok choy may also boost your immunity. Bok choy may also promote eye health. Bok choy may also promote a healthy pregnancy due to its folate content. Bok choy may interact with certain medications such as blood thinners. As always, consult with your physician. I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.